really excited for this video. This is me unboxing my new Sony a6400. I'm so excited to start a journey with this camera and just learn as much as I can. So this is the box that it comes in. So it comes in the box. When you first open it, you see the owner's manual. And then as you go deeper into the box, it comes with shoulder strap, with an AC adapter, eyepiece cap, micro USB cable, rechargeable battery, accessory shoe cap and body cap, an 18 to 135 millimeter lens caps and a hood, and the camera itself. So when you first turn on the camera after you've charged it for a little bit, it's gonna ask you to select the language that you want, the time and the date. Here is the camera itself. It's pretty tiny. I don't really know how to feel right now. I feel like I'm at a loss for words just because I've honestly never had a camera this high quality. The last camera I had was a point and shoot. Not to say that it's any less of a camera, but it's definitely different to have a DSLR than to have a point and shoot. First of all, I don't even know how to do this. Put it on. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna take the cap off and I'm gonna see my first impression to how this looks compared to my phone. Okay, I'm so nervous. Okay, this is what my camera sees and this is what my phone sees. Okay, ready? Wow, okay. Whoa, okay, it's really zoomed in. Okay. Y'all, are you serious with this different? I just want to film everything now. If it wasn't for the stabilization on this lens, this would be even more shaky. Oh, I have a tripod. Let me put that on really quick. Who do I look at? I don't know. I just realized that this camera is so HD that I'm not going to be able to get away with you not seeing the texture on my skin anymore. Or the yellow of my teeth, because you can't really see it that much on this camera, but you can on that one. So, I mean, that's just a reality. Okay, this is a tripod that I got by Joby. Got the Gorilla Pod. Okay, there we go. I got it on. So it should be a lot more stable now. I don't know why I didn't think to put the tripod on earlier. Here it is. Hopefully it's a little smoother and less shaky as I'm literally going like this. That's y'all. So we're going from that to this. I want to say that where the viewfinder is just so weird, and it's also weird because they actually, let me show you, hold on. So they put the mic right here so that you can put your mic on top and mount it on top of the camera like you can do with most cameras. One thing about this one is if you do want to mount a mic where it originally is, you're not going to be able to see the viewfinder, which I think is a little weird, but a lot of people have improvised and kind of made their own. There's some accessories that you can get to move it to the side, and that way you can have the mic not be in the way of the viewfinder, but that's just something to keep in mind if you are looking to get this camera and wanting to have a mic there. Okay, in case you guys want to see how far this lens goes, so this is as far out as it goes, and then I'm going to zoom in as much as I can, and that's it. Okay guys, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this camera, I hope that this video helped you a little bit in making your choice. I'm really excited to see what I can learn about this camera and improve on my skills and my craft. And if you guys have any questions about the camera, make sure you comment down below. I will definitely get back to you. Or you can DM me at DianaOceano130. I'm also always checking my DMs on there. Bye!